spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, baby. Roll that backward, baby, and play me close. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah, me too. What I want when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the last flight to you. I took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh. Spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. And now it's all good, baby. Roll that backward, baby, and play me close. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah, me too. What I want when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah. Yeah, cause girls like you run around with guys like guys like me. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah, me too. What I want when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah.
What up, guys? This is Kurt, and I'm Sam in D Sharp doing Girls Like You. I hope you liked it. If you did, it's on iTunes, Spotify, all that good stuff. So links to that down below, along with all of Sam's and D Sharp's social media links, their YouTube channels. If you aren't subscribed to them, go show them the love. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Right over there is another video, and as always, more stuff coming soon. So I will see you then. Peace. Whoa.
books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself up on that list. But she said, where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman rolls a suit before he lifts. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits. But she said, where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. Where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. So I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this.
What's up, guys? This is Kurt, and I'm Sam singing something just like this. I hope you guys liked it, and I'm coming to Mumbai on March 24th for Fan Fest. It's going to be a blast, guys. I'm doing some different things there. I'm filming a few music videos in this car, the Ignis. It's going to be a blast, so keep an eye out for that, and I will see you then. Peace. Whoa!
I wanna follow where she goes. I think about her and she knows it. I wanna let her take control, 'cause every time that she gets close, yeah, she pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. And maybe I should stop and start confessing.
Oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back.
You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back.
crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Oh no, there's nothing holding me back. I feel so free when you're with me, baby. There's nothing holding me back.
What's up, guys? This is Kurt, and that was Will and Macy singing There's Nothing Holding Me Back by Shawn Mendes. I hope you liked it. If you did, it's on iTunes, Spotify, all that good stuff. So links to that down below. And guys, Shawn Mendes is going on tour right now. If you want to get tickets to that through SeatGeek, I'm going to put a link down below. You get $20 off if you use the promo code KURT. So check it out. SeatGeek, get great tickets for great prices. Right over there is another video. And as always, guys, there's more stuff on the scene. So I will see you then. Peace. Whew.
Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood.
Laying on the bathroom floor, feeling nothing, overwhelming, insecure. Give me something I can take to ease my mind slowly. Just have a drink and you'll feel better. Just take her home and you'll feel better. Keep telling me that it gets better. Oh, but does it ever?
Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough.
Someone help me. And I'm crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. Oh no, it isn't in my blood. Oh,
Looking through my phone again, feeling anxious, afraid to be alone again. I hate this. I'm trying to find a way to chill. Can't breathe. Oh,
is there somebody who can help me? It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me.
I'm crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't.
It isn't in my blood. No, no, no. It isn't in my blood. Oh, I need somebody now. I need somebody now. Somebody help me now. I need somebody now. Help me.
It's like the walls are caving in.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.